Hey guys, my name is Tyler Moncrief and this is Karen McCormick, and she is about to buy a 2019 Toyota 4Runner. I got a couple questions for you. First off, what made you get in the market for a new car?
Well, I've always been wanting a Toyota 4Runner, but I was thinking today would be a good day to go look because it was a beautiful day.
Yep.
And it's Memorial Day weekend.
Yep.
And you have some specials going on. And I wasn't really intentionally trying to buy one today, but I was just going to look, see what the prices were, and you talked me into it.
Well, that brings me to my next question. What was one of your favorite things about working with me in the store?
You're very friendly, nice, honest.
Don't lie to them.
I'm not. And I learned some personal things about you, about your family. I met your beautiful, nice wife, and I saw pictures of your two beautiful kids.
Yeah.
And
It's my sales tactic.
and you're just nice to work with.
Well, good. Well, thank you so much. Well, there's actually a sign that we want you to hold.
Oh.
Okay?
All right, what is that? Uh-oh. Oh.
So we're going to actually this is a new program that we're doing. It's called Free Gas Friday. And so what we're going to do, we're obviously going to fill you up with a full tank of gas today, but whenever it gets low, come back up here. We'll give you a little certificate, and we'll fill up your tank again for you.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, good deal.
So guys, if you want to be a part of this as well, my name is Tyler Moncrief. You can come and ask for me, but anybody here is going to be willing to help you out. You're going to have a great experience no matter who you work with. Come on down and see us at Heyward Allen Toyota.